In this video, I want to show you how to quickly and easily use the optimized applications from My CV Bot with the Resume Builder tool. The two tools integrate seamlessly. After completing an application optimization with artificial intelligence, return to your dashboard, scroll until you find the optimized application you're interested in, and download the corresponding JSON file. Then, open the Resume Builder tool and select the option to upload the JSON file you just downloaded. The tool integrates with My CV Bot's optimized applications, allowing you to upload the results in JSON format very quickly by simply selecting it from your device. Now you'll see that many parts of your resume are automatically added to the preview window on the right side, which you can scroll through freely. Access the different tabs of the tool to check the inserted information, add missing details, and optionally correct any text that is incorrect or improperly formatted. With this functionality, you can create your optimized job application, obtaining a professional and ATS-friendly resume in less than 2 minutes. Note that the sections added by the artificial intelligence optimization have been correctly inserted into the CV draft you are working on. In this case, the transferable skills were added by the AI and are now in your draft. If you want, you can change the order of the different sections in your resume. This way, if the artificial intelligence has highlighted a section too much, you can move it down. Or conversely, you can give more prominence to one of these sections, as in the example I am showing you. When you have achieved the ideal resume, press the button to view the preview. If you are happy with the result, press the button to proceed with generating and downloading the PDF version. Try the My CV Bot Resume Builder. Sign up now for free. Visit mycvbot.com.